If you see the position of Saturn, if you see, observe this particular Saturn and this particular speed. See, it is 0 degree, 0 0. When this speed becomes zero, that means the apparent motion of Saturn in the sky with respect to Earth is in stationary position. What do you mean by this? When Saturn is stationary in the sign of Capricorn, it has a greater significance, because on the day when Saturn is stationary, see the position of Moon. Moon will be in Pushya Nakshatra, which is the Saturn's nakshatra, and Saturn is in Shravana Nakshatra, which is Moon's nakshatra. They both are exchanging their energy. This is the time frame when the difference between a friend and enemy will be defined. Who is with you, who is not with you, what is true self, what is that you always wanted to have in your life, and what are your strength and weakness. So the bifurcation will become very clear at this time frame. The Capricorn will become far more stabilized because Saturn is getting stationed in his own home. Now this is like Saturn is waiting, thinking, and he will become retrograde. So the focus of Saturn, the amplification of the energy of Saturn becomes very high. It's a multifold amplification of Saturnian energy, and this the result of this Saturn stationary will be dominant. Those people who naturally has a stationary or near to stationary Saturn in their horoscope, and or if you have a retrograde Saturn in your horoscope, especially if it is in Capricorn, this 10-12 days should be utilized in doing only good karma as much as possible. Do as much donation as possible, help a lot of people, bring a lot of positivity in your life, throw out the negativity, and this addresses the weak areas of the life, because Saturn naturally works with hardship, bringing routine in your life. Start making your life disciplined, because Saturn wants the life to be disciplined. Also, the stationary Saturn can create can freeze your mind completely. So try to freeze your mind into one spot which is positive. If you keep thinking about the negative, then past bad karma can come back, it can haunt you, the past can haunt you, and because of the ghost of the past trying to eat up your positivity, you will go into depression. And find out that area that is the most painful, pick it up, and try to address it with utmost proper response, or you can say with greater promptness. Understand that this is Saturn's nature to bring and drag the mind and put it into one spot, isolate it. Natural Saturn's quality to isolate the mind.